Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to upload a profile picture to Facebook using the website version. Let's just jump straight into it. So what you want to do is click on your profile in the top left here and then click on that profile photo and update profile picture, so that one. Then just choose upload photo and you can choose whichever photo you want. So I'll go for this one here. And then just simply hit save. And there you go, that's it now being updated. And it's as simple as that. Thank you.